Assalamualaikum class, I am Miss Tahreem and I am going to teach you unit number 9 from your literature book, English literature book. The topic is all is not lost. सब कुछ ज़ाया नहीं हुआ. It is a motivational chapter in which you will going to learn how we have to overcome our bad circumstances. See the image. In image you can see a nurse and she is treating a patient. A patient has head injury. So we are going to learn about the profession of young nurse and how the nurses can treat patient and stand for their patients. See paragraph number 1 on page number 94. I have underlined all difficult words, meaning you have to underline these words and try to write the answer. It was the beginning of my profession as a nurse. एक नर्स के तौर पर ये मेरे पेशे की शुरुआत थी. बिगनिंग स्टार्टिंग. सो द नर्स इज़ गोइंग टू इंट्रोड्यूस अबाउट हर सेल्फ एंड अबाउट हर प्रोफेशन. शी वॉज अ यंग nurse and she has started her profession. It is going to just start her profession as a nurse. I work in the intensive care unit ICU of the neurology ward. Where she was working in a neurology ward. And in intensive care unit, इंतहाई निगहदाश्त का जो unit होता है, that is called ICU, where the critically injured patient has kept. So she has a duty on neurology ward and she is also working in intensive care unit. As a young professional, I wished to save the world. What was her passion? She wanted to save the world as a nurse. That is her passion as a young professional nurse. I was excited to see the patients making quick recoveries from devastating accidents. Recoveries means come back from devastating means very shocking accident. So when the patient has very dangerous accident and they are going to return, that make her happy. Exciting means happy. She become happy to see the patients are going to recover from shocking accidents. Yet I was pained to nurse those. Pained means feel sad. Whenever when she feels sad, who was stuck means hit with acute severe neurological disorder related to nerve cells. Disorder means here means disease. Who has the brain diseases, acute severe brain diseases, and she feel sad for those patients who has stuck with severe brain injuries. In this paragraph we have seen that we have introduced a nurse and what is her patience, what she wants to do for the patient who are going to be injured. Here you have seen I is first person. Whenever we are going to write narrative writing, we will going to write I. It is narrated by a nurse. A nurse is writing this whole chapter, so that's why she is writing it to her own. That is narrative writing. She is narrating incidents or event of her life. That is why she is using pronoun I. See question number 1. What is an ICU in a hospital? An intensive care unit in a hospital. Let me show you the answer. ICU stands for intensive care unit. It is a unit of hospital that is designed and equipped for monitoring, care and treatment of critically ill or critically injured patients. So that is the unit in a hospital which is built for the critically injured patient. They are treated in this unit, in intensive care unit. See the words meaning of paragraph number 1. Neurology means study of nerves and nerve cells. Recoveries, getting bad. Devastating, shocking. Stuck, hit. Acute, severe. Neurological, dealing with neurology. Disorder, hurdle. A disease related to head or related to nerve cells. See paragraph number 2. One day, standing at the bedside of a young patient, I wondered if she could make the same recoveries like others. So, one day, what happened? She was standing at the bedside of a young patient and she was thinking, she was thinking that she is going to recover as the other patient has recovered. Hira is the name of a patient. Hira had received severe head and spinal injuries. Spinal related to backbone. So she has backbone injuries, severe backbone injuries, as she was hit by a speedy bus while crossing a busy road. When she was crossing a busy road, she hit by a bus and she has a very severe backbone injuries. I took her lifeless arm in my hands and tried to do several exercises on her, but in vain, useless. The nurse was doing several exercises on her arms and legs, but it was useless. It means she is not going to improve by these several exercises. Also, I asked her young sister to come and asked to her, thinking that the voice of a near and dear one might activate means operate the nearly dead neurons means nerve cells. So she think that if she call her young sister and she will listen the voice of her young sister, it will help her to improve her dead neurons. She could see but not talk. The patient can see everything, but she was not able to talk. Her eyes showed a certain hopelessness, feebleness, lachargi in Urdu. In Urdu, what she was seeing in her eyes, she see that there is some helplessness in her eyes. I could read her mind through her eyes. The nurse can see uh, in her eye and she can claim that she can read her mind. She can read what she wants from the nurse, what she want. Maybe perhaps means maybe she wanted to say, please help me. The patient maybe wanted to said the nurse, please help me, please meri madad karo. That was the word of the patient, which the nurse can see from her eyes and she can read from her mind, that the patient asked the nurse to help her, not leave her unattended. See the question. To what extent does the recovery of a patient depends upon the doctors and the nurses? The recovery of the patient depends upon the doctor and the nurses to a great extent. If they take great care and give continuous attention and perform their duties well, the God may contribute to the patient's recovery. So, how the patient can recover? If the doctor and nurses continuously take care of the patient and perform their duties very well, then God can help them to recover the patient. See the difficult words meaning of paragraph number 2. It's from 15. Helplessness, feebleness, perhaps, maybe. Activate, operate, vain, useless, and several, many, spinal, backbone. Wonder, think, about. Victim, sufferer. These are the meaning from paragraph number 2. See paragraph number 3. A fellow nurse came near to me and asked, Rahila, what are you doing? Fighting a lost battle? I was shocked at first to hear a colleague making a hopeless comment. So what happened? A fellow nurse came near to me and asked. One of the fellow nurse came and asked Rahila. Rahila is the name of the nurse. What are you doing? That is the words of the nurse. That's why it is written in inverted commas. It is direct narration. Directly say the word of the speaker. Whenever we write a quote, the directly word of the speaker, we put inverted commas. I told you it is narrative writing. So put comma here that shows is direct narration. Rahila, what are you doing? Fighting a lost battle? I was shocked at first to hear the colleague. Colleague means fellow worker. So she heard the comment of the fellow worker that she is saying that you are fighting a lost battle. It means the patient is not going to improve and you are wasting your time on the patient. I was shocking at first to hear a colleague making a hopeless comment remark. Then I replied. Then I answered. I am trying to make her brain process means in action. By her sister's voice also I am doing my best to ensure that her arms and legs get proper exercise. This might help her walk like a normal person. So what the nurse replied? Nurse said that I am trying my best to improve the patient. I am doing the exercises on her arms and legs. I also said her sister to talk to the patient, maybe she can improve, and I am doing my best to make the patient normal. Meanwhile, a senior doctor on duty walked in. So our senior doctor came in the ward. He gave me an ironic smile and said, ironic smile, mocking smile, a satirical smile, एक तंजिया मुस्कुराहट देना. उसने मुझे तंजिया मुस्कुराते हुए कहा, if you spend most of your duty hours on one patient, we will have to recruit more nurses to attend the other patient. What was the remarks of the senior doctor? Senior doctor said, if you spend many hours on one patient, we will hire new nurses for the other patients. Please go and see the other patient. We do not have much hope for her. I don't think that she can ever walk again. What was the idea of the doctor? Doctor said the patient is not going to improve. You are just wasting your time on one patient. You should go and serve the other patient. Otherwise, we are going to hire other nurse instead of you. That's it. Let me show you the difficult words meaning of paragraph number 3. Colleague, fellow worker, comment, remark, ironic, mocking, recruit, employer. I hope you have understand first 3 paragraphs. Try to learn first 2 questions from the text and also learn difficult words meaning I have shown you. Allah Hafiz, good luck.